Hello guys, in this video I'm going to replay to my existing video to a lot of users, those who don't know about the 7-zip. Okay, so I'm reading a lot of comments, bro, there is no option that is related to 7-zip. 7-zip is not showing. Some people are saying thank you so much because they have installed 7-zip. There is no option for 7-zip. In my laptop there is no 7-zip. Bro, we need to install it. Okay, we need to install 7-zip. So it's very simple. Go to this website. Already I have provided, okay, in my existing video, already I have provided 7-zip download. If you're using for Windows, right, just click on this download and definitely your system might be 64-bit Windows. So just install it, okay? Just download it. So it's downloaded, then click and then simply install it, okay? Already I have installed it. So if you're seeing this, right, which means you're already installed 7-zip. So cool. Now I'm going to show this. So what you need to do is, for example, this is the folder. I'm going to select the folder, right click, and you can see this show more options. Okay, or right click. If you click on this compress to, right, you can see this 7-zip. 7-zip. Okay, you can zip it. Or you can click on this show more options. Okay, here it is 7-zip. You can compress. Simply I'm going to compress it. You can put .zip or .7. Okay, I'm going to put .zip. So it's created, friends, but you're telling it's not showing. Okay, if I click, you can see this folder and lots of photos inside. It's very simple, you know. So it's very simple. Fine. And I'm going to show to unzip it. Right click, show more options, or you can click this extract all. But I'm going to show more options. 7-zip. You can extract. So once you extracted, you can see this folder here. So that's it, friends. So now definitely you would have understand. So we need to install 7-zip. I will be providing the link in the description so you can download it. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedback in video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.